In the fast-paced city, people are always busy and have no time to enjoy. But a bowl of fried rice can satisfy people's desire for delicious food. In terms of satiated rice, accompanied by meat and vegetable dishes, one spoon can meet all the needs. Yangzhou Fried Rice, the staple food of Huaiyang cuisine, is said to have its embryonic form during the period of Yangzhou Ancient Canal. With distinct and loose grains, proper hardness, and embellished with a variety of food materials, the aroma of soft and glutinous rice is pretty attractive. As for Yangzhou Fried Rice, the most classic way is egg fried. After evolution, there are chicken, ham, shrimp, fresh bamboo shoots, green beans, carrots, and other ingredients, enriching the fried rice. The overnight cooked rice shall be chosen, as this is the best way to achieve the effect of loose grains. Pour the broken eggs into the oil pan. After forming, quickly disperse them to keep the eggs soft and tender. Stir-fry the side dishes with eggs, and add chicken, ham, shrimp to stir-fry, and they will increase the taste of fried rice. Then pour the rice into the pot, and it instantly becomes soft and attractive as it absorbs the aroma of a pot. Finally, it would be a perfect staple food after just a simple seasoning. Without complicated techniques and dazzling techniques, it can make you feel steadfast and warm from the depths of your body. For thousands of years, mooncake, as a representative of traditional cuisine, has entrusted the Chinese people's hope for family reunion. Today, people will no longer have the sorrow of missing, like silently tasted, love sickness tears moist the towel. But the connotation of mooncake is still retained. Chinese cuisine is not only about techniques, but also about the cultural heritage behind it. As the poetry says, as the bright moon shines over the sea. From far away, you share this moment with me. Reunion, happiness, sweetness, and harmony are the meanings of Mid-Autumn Festival, which are also the Chinese flavor.